Hello everyone, this is the sixth video of OOSAD video series. Today we are going to talk about sequence diagrams. What is a sequence diagram? A sequence diagram describes an interaction among a set of objects participated in a collaboration arranged in chronological order. It shows the objects participated in the interaction by their lifelines and the message they sent to each other. Notations of sequence diagram: lifeline, return message, self messages, call messages, create message, duration message, actor, destroy message, and activation. Now we will talk about these notations in detail. Lifeline. A lifeline represents an individual participant in the interaction. Return message. A return message defines a particular communication between lifelines of an interaction which represents the pass of information back to the caller of a correspondent former message. Self messages. A self message defines a particular communication between lifelines of an interaction which represents the invocation of messages of same lifeline. Call messages. A call message defines a particular communication between lifelines of an interaction which represents an invocation of operation of target lifelines. Create messages. A create message defines a particular communication between lifelines of an interaction which represents the instantaneous of target lifeline. Duration message. A duration message defines a particular communication between lifelines of an interaction which shows the distance between two time instances from a message invocation. Actor. An actor is a type of a role played by an entity that interacts with the subject by exchanging signals and data. They typically represent roles played by human users, external hardware or other subjects. Destroy message. A destroy message defines a particular communication between lifelines of an interaction which represents the request of destroying the life cycle of target lifelines. Activation. An activation is represented by an thin rectangle on a lifeline represents the period during which an element is performing an operation. The top and the bottom of the rectangle are aligned with the initiation and the completion time respectively. This is the scenario given to draw a sequence diagram. Suppose you need to develop an online library management system with the following functionalities. The librarian requests the system to create a new online library account. The librarian then selects the library user's account type. The librarian enters the user's details. The user's details are checked using the user credential database. The new library user account is created. A summary of the new account details are then emailed to the user. Then user can log in to the online library management using his or her user account. This is the sequence diagram I have drawn to the given scenario. Here, this is an actor and these are lifelines. This is the activation. These are messages and this is a return message. This is how we end an lifeline. Now we will talk about this process. I took one actor on 3 lifelines. I named the first lifeline as website, then library management system, and the last one as database. First, the librarian requests registration form from the website. Then, the website directs it to the library management system. There we select user account type. Then the librarian can directly enter the user details to the library management system. If the details are valid, the website shows the librarian as the details are correct. If the details are invalid, they show a warning as details are wrong. If the details are valid, the librarian can access the library management system. Then the library management system send a message to the database and check whether there's an account for the given details. If there is no account, we can create a new user account and email the details to the user. If there's an account for the given details, we can show that there is an account for the given details. Then I have ended the system, the sequence diagram. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.